Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to self-host N8n project for free without spending a single rupees. As you can see, N8n is one of the most trending AI agent builder right now. To self-host this for free, we are going to use render.com. It has a free pricing plan called Hobby. So let's get started. Let's create an account. I have already logged in, so you should create an account and then go to dashboard. It will be the welcome screen. Deploy a web service and choose existing image and paste this link. The link is in description. You can just copy paste and choose connect. You can change the project name if you want to and choose free plan. It has some limitations, but I will explain it about it later. And just choose deploy web services. It will take few minutes and after that the project will be set. As you can see, the project is live right now. If your project is failed, just go to dashboard and delete all the existing projects and restart it or redo it. Okay. So open this link. It it will open your N8n automation project. You will be prompted to open sign in page, but I have already signed up, so I will log in instead. Just log in, and after login, it will show the screen like this. Okay, you need to set up the license. You will be created with a license key to your email. Just copy this license key and go to your profile settings, usage and plan, enter activations key and paste it here and activate it. Your why is this failed? Okay. Okay, I have already used the license key, so that's why it have failed. You can use yours, it will activate the license key. Okay. So what I have already explained that it has some free limitations. Okay. What it do is like if we don't use this project for certain amount of period, render will suspend it. So we need to keep the project running all the time. For that, we will use cron job. Sign up. I have already signed up. So instead, I will log in. Just create a cron job. Go to your render, copy this link and paste the URL here and set the timer for 5 minutes and just test run it and it will show success 200. Okay, means you have successfully set up. Just close this, create. What it will do is it will send request to your project every 5 minutes. So your project will be kept running all the time. Now you are ready to create automations. Thank you. You can please subscribe and like and share. I will be sharing more N8n related projects. Thank you.